so appalled by the growth of those kids. So I know that lead role started when she was, what, 8, Lainey?
Oh yeah, she was 8, Mila Calhoun, and now she is the Sugar Plum Fairy, right? And she is the, I mean, it's unbelievable. And they have such professionalism there, just being around them. It really is like being around a professional performance, even though these are all students that will likely have professional careers in the industry. Boy, it was so cold out there this morning, right? Not as cold right now. Yeah, we've got temperatures that were in the teens this morning at 19 in Greensboro and Winston-Salem, 18 in North Wilkesboro. So we'll enjoy the fact that it's only going to be in the 30s tomorrow morning. Our high this afternoon was 46. The normal high is 55. Check out where the highs are headed, though. They'll be dropping tomorrow afternoon, and then we're looking at highs in the 40s Friday and Saturday. But here's what I think you're going to like. Yeah, back to warmer than normal with some milder air in the forecast, not only in the afternoon, but after we get through these real cold mornings Friday and Saturday with this next Arctic blast, we're going to see the morning temperatures go up too, and they will be in the upper 40s. Right now we're at 40 degrees in Burlington, 42 in Greensboro, and 43 in Winston-Salem. Lexington at 42, below freezing in Sparta at 30, but 30 is better than 15 any day, right? We do have a concern though in the mountains for high winds, and yes, there will be some snow, and that'll be blowing around. Now, we're not looking at a lot of real measurable snow, but there will be some light accumulations that'll start overnight into the morning, down to 30 degrees, above freezing tomorrow morning in the Triad as well as the foothills. Could see a few flurries flying around in some of the foothill communities, but not anticipating any measurable snow. We have wind advisory for the foothills, wind warning up for the mountains, and that is all because of what is out to the west. A couple of very fast-moving Arctic fronts that are coming through here, pretty dry. That's why we only have that mention of mountain snow, but you're definitely going to notice it when the wind picks up, and it is going to be whipping out there tomorrow. We've got the wind warning up for Allegheny, Grayson, Ashland, Watauga, and we have the advisory out for Wilkes, Surrey, and points north there into Virginia. So for the advisory, could have some gusts to 50 miles an hour, could see gusts up to 60 miles an hour in the mountains. So we are anticipating, unfortunately, damaging winds with this. So trees, power lines that could come down, could have power outages, so you need to consider that alternative source of heat because it's still going to be cold, and the winds really picking up. Look at these wind gusts. We mentioned the real high wind gusts in the mountains. This is around lunchtime tomorrow. Wind gusts are expected to be at about 30 to 40 miles an hour, even across the Piedmont Triad, and that's going to continue for most of the day. So here we are by the evening. We still have some gusts that are 25 to 30 in the Triad and higher in our mountain communities. So those winds are going to drive the temperatures down in the afternoon. Usually we see our high in this zone. The high may take place around lunchtime, and then those temps are steadily falling so that we're going to be below freezing probably before the sun goes down. Wind chill values are going to be an issue too. Wind chill values will likely be in the teens. For the foothills, we're also going to see those numbers dropping off with the winds that are strong. It's a cold northwest wind, and we will see freezing temperatures easily by afternoon. For the mountains, we've got that high wind warning. That's why you see the alert. You've got some snow flurries. We've got the strong winds that bring in that cold air, and those temperatures dropping off in the 20s. Now, bitter wind chills continue into Friday. Milder days return by Sunday. We've got a lot of Christmas parades. The one on Friday definitely going to be cold in Wentworth, Mebane, and Asheboro. We have the Penny Campaign Collection Day for Samaritan Ministries. That is on Saturday morning. It is going to be quite chilly, but we have some sunshine in the forecast, so we hope to see you at Truist Stadium. Our 7-day forecast includes, of course, Saturday and Sunday. Lots of parades. Greensboro, Winston-Salem on Saturday, chilly day. The Sunday parades are a little warmer when temps will be in the upper 50s. And yes, we are talking about rain in the forecast for next week, not snow.